Hi there! Are you getting ready for Step 2 CS? Think about this. Can you prepare for CS in 3, 4 or 5 days? Then why attend 3, 4 or 5-day workshops? Pay for flight tickets, hotel accommodations, take time off rotations. If you have to prepare before the course, then why pay so much? A successful pass in the Step 2 CS involves preparing in 2 phases. Phase 1 is the learning phase, where you learn how to present one case correctly. That is, pass ICE, CIS and SCP in one case. Phase 2 is the practicing phase, where you practice one case under the time limit. That is, 15-minute encounter and 10-minute patient note. Target Usmle integrates both these processes seamlessly into one unique course, presenting the Complete Comprehensive Course, or the CCC. Get ready for CS in just 3 weeks. Why pay thousands of dollars for getting a group class when you can get personalized coaching at 1/3 the cost? Target's CCC course is the #1 choice for IMGs for the past few years. Why? Because it's proven, it's professional, and it's personal. Sign up today. Let's get CS done correctly the first time around. Step 2 CS. Do it once, do it right, do it with Target Usmle.